All right, so I'm expecting this to be a trend change on USDJPY. I expect this to hit big drop to 1600 pips. That's 1678.4 pips. I'm expecting from this point, um, and that's going to be very long time. It should take a year to hit this point. Yeah, I expect about half the year or so to get down to this point. Okay, so it's gonna be a long term hold. My stop loss is 115. Yeah, so I think this is the shift that's coming for USDJPY. You can look at the sentiment. Sentiment has been moving. I don't know why this is. Oh, sent. That's weird. Sentiment has been moving. Um, as you see, a lot of the pairs are now switching sides. All right. And I've seen this over here for the longest time. I mean, it's amazing. I don't know what's going on with my internet connection. Page unresponsive. All right, let's exit the page. Okay. So, all right. And then look at, let's see, we go to the four. You see that trend that's been happening since May, um, with now the longs start popping up above that. And this is what's been happening. So I expect this trend to continue for the yen as the majority of traders switch sides gradually. Um, this is it. It shook him up, shook a lot of them up to kind of wake them up there. The longs, they still have a little bit of still hanging on, right? Um, Long still hanging on in GBP JPY. Euro JPY is shrinking. Let me see if there's one that's, yeah, shorts are doing a little better. So slowly starting to, uh, but that's kind of this is my sentiment on all the yen pairs. So that's going to be the outlook there for the yen as a whole. Um, and I expect this to continue down. And stay tuned for more updates. Make sure if you like the comments, if you like, well, my comments, if you like the video, if you like the content, if you like me to do more of these, please don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe. I see some of you new that are coming in watching that aren't hitting the subscribe button, so hit the subscribe button. This will help me reach a larger audience. Continue to grow is what I'm looking for. Decided to open this whole thing up and be free for you guys. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.